If I tell you this is broccoli, will you believe? I'm going to share with you guys this healthy recipe you can try. This is broccoli cake. Watch to the end and also help me to share. So I am starting with one broccoli. I'm just going to take off the flour. I'm going to keep the stick aside because I'm going to use it to make another healthy recipe for you guys. Next, I am going to wash it neatly with salt and water, and then I transfer it into my food processor, and then I'm going to blend it until it is smooth. I saw this recipe on Instagram and I was so excited to try this recipe. So once I'm done blending it, I'm going to set it aside. Next, I am going to grind my oats. The lady that posted this video used plain flour to bake the cake, but I decided to try it with oats because I know a lot of people on my platform want healthy options. So next, I am going to set this aside. I go in with 2 raw eggs. Next, I added 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then I'm going to go in with Greek yogurt. This Greek yogurt is about 4 to 5 tablespoons. So I'm just going to add it all in the bowl, and then I'm going to gently mix it up nicely. Once I'm done mixing it like this, next I'm going to be adding baking powder, and I also added baking soda on it as well. So if you don't have baking soda, just use baking powder alone. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar replacement. I added vanilla for flavor, and then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Next, I will go in with my broccoli. I add the broccoli on it, and then I'm going to also add the oats I grinded on it as well. But I'm not going to go in with all the oats. I'm going to add it bit by bit, and then I'll mix it up nicely. Next, I am going to be adding my grated cheese on it. Cheese make this cake to come out perfectly well, guys. I was like, why did she add cheese on it? But trust me, this is another amazing recipe I would like you guys to try. So into my buttered pan, I transfer my mixture into it. If you want to lose weight, this is the type of cake you should be eating. If you are diabetic, this cake is perfect for you. Like, it is so healthy for diabetic people. Lastly, I went in with coconut flakes, and then I'm also going to be adding flax seed on it. These ones are totally optional. Next, I'm just going to put it in the baking tray, and then I'll add water on it as usual, and then I'm going to bake it in the oven. I baked this for about 20 minutes under 150 degrees, guys. Take a look at this. It really came out nice. I was not expecting this to look like this. Guys, see how soft this cake look. Who could believe that you can bake healthy cake like this with broccoli? Guys, take a look at this. It really came out nice. I love the way it looks. It looks so beautiful, guys. Just look at this. Now tell me, after watching this video to this point, does this look like something you would love to try? I enjoyed this with yogurt, honestly. It really tastes amazing. Just take a look at it. You can use it as dessert as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.